Hi, this is Video Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find saved video on YouTube. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The Watch Later playlist helps you organize a list of YouTube videos you don't have time to watch now but would love to watch later. You can edit videos you wish to watch so they'll remain in one place. These videos will stay there until you manually remove them. This way, you don't have to remember a list of channel names and sift through them to find videos you want to watch. If you have added to your Watch Later or saved video playlist but aren't sure where to access this, so here's in this video I will show you how to find the saved video. So first, of course, we have to open our YouTube. Maybe for the example, I will try to save one video. Maybe this one. We can save by tap on here. And you can choose you want to save it to watch later. For example, tap on done. And you can find this save video on subscription. I mean on you section. You can tap on you in here, your profile. Here's your playlist. You can just tap on view all. So here's, you can open the watch later. So here's all the videos that you have saved on your YouTube. You can also see the other saved video on other playlist in here if you have created another playlist. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find saved video on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!